Now you're gonna read a short story.
Right on time. On Saturday morning, Emma was getting ready to meet her friend Daniel.
Camila. Daniel.
Daniel at the train station. Train station. They were gonna take a train to the city for the day. Before they left, Emma looked around her home.
Camila.
Oh no,
Around.
Aaron. Before she left, Emma looked around her home. Oh no, where are my keys?
Camila. Lisa, pas ça?
Her room.
Her.
Her room.
Yes.
Her room. Oh no, where are my keys? Her mother smiled and pointed to the table. There, right there, next to your phone. Emma laughed. I didn't see them. Thanks. She grabbed a bag and hurried outside. When she arrived at the station, Daniel waved.
Waved.
Oh, yeah, okay, I know. You right on time, he said. I didn't wanna be late, Emma replied. Daniel looked around and asked, do you have the train tickets? She smiled. They're right here in my bag. A train employee walked over and said, May I have those, please? Of course, Emma answered as she handed him the tickets. The employee checked them and smiled. Everything looks good. Please walk right this way. They followed him. They followed him to the platform. Just before the train arrived, Daniel said, I forgot my water bottle. Emma pointed to a bench. It's right behind you. Daniel turned around and laughed. I asked past it. I walk past it.
Walk past it.
Non, comme si m'te marché facile.
Passer comme si marcher quitter.
Ah, ok.
Comme si c'est te ou bon adresse. Elle me dit, oh, quand on l'a ça, on dit, non, elle dit, oh, there we are. Comme si I drive past it.
Ok,
Drive past it.
Moi, c'est des S, t'avais écrit.
Non, c'est comme si il pas passé, non? Il pas passé et temps composé, non, c'est...
Ou dépasser. A few minutes later, they found their seats. Emma sat by the window, and Daniel sat right next to her. At the twins. Emma sat by the window, and Daniel sat right next to her. As the train started, moving, Emma looked outside. This is exactly what I needed, she said. Daniel smiled. Sometimes it's nice to leave everything behind and enjoy the day. Oh, comme c'est pour quitter un peu le rider. Okay. When they arrived in the city, they crossed the street. The museum is the museum.
Kapila.
Museum. Okay.
Museum.
Museum. The museum is right across from the park. Daniel said they spent the whole afternoon walking, talking and taking pictures. And taking pictures.
On comprend ça? Pas ça?
Comme si ils passaient toute journée à marcher, parler, puis pour faire photo. Before they went home, Daniel said, "This has been a great day."
This has been
a great day.
On comprend ça plaisir?
Comme si c'était une belle journée, une grande journée. Emma smiled. "You're right. We should do this again." You should do this again. Daniel's life. Maybe next weekend. Maybe next weekend. Peut-être l'autre weekend.
Okay.
Emma nodded.
Nodded.
Also
Yeah, nodded.
Okay. Emma nodded. Sounds good. But time. Let's leave right away. But next time. Let's leave right away. So we have even more time to explore. Both. Okay. Il dit, that sound c'est bon. Il dit, mais, une autre fois, on nous quitte, non pas trop comprendre ça.
On nous quitte, on nous aller, Kounia, right?
On a le Kounia, et pour nous avoir plus de temps pour nous explorer.
Yeah.
Okay. Both friends smiled as they walked right toward to the train station. Happy they had spent such a wonderful day together. Il dit quoi ça? Et tous les deux. Right toward. Il a pas avancé.
Toward le dit vers.
Oui, il a pas avancé vers. Yo marché pour avancer vers la station et puis yo tous les deux yo content et puis yo passé un bon jour ensemble.
All right, that's it.
Ou pas de voir chambre.
Yeah. Juste un petit temps. Doit formal?
Alors,
hein?
Légèrement connaît ça va. On connaît chez ça va.
Souvent c'est ça me prend ba ou.
Ça va.
Et
ça va j'en ai.
Pas ajouter ba là.
On pas ça. On pas. Ou la album ça plutôt pour
Yeah.